Want to make your microphone sound top-notch on Discord using OBS Studio's powerful filters? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to route your OBS Studio audio, complete with custom filters, directly into Discord. By the end, your voice will be clearer, richer, and more professional, whether you're chatting, streaming, or recording with friends. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up OBS Studio. If you haven't used OBS before, it's a free broadcast software many streamers and podcasters swear by, and its audio filters are incredibly robust. Once OBS is open, find and click on the settings icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Taking a moment here to get familiar with the settings menu is helpful, since you'll be returning here pretty often as you customize your setup. Next, head over to the Audio tab. This section controls everything related to sound input and output in OBS, so it's like the central hub for your microphone and speakers. Now, scroll down until you see the Advanced options. Sometimes these can blend in, so don't worry if you have to hunt for a second. Under Advanced, look for Monitoring Device. Here's where the magic routing happens. When you click on this drop-down, you'll see options like Cable Input. If you're not familiar, Cable Input is part of the Virtual Audio Cable Setup, a tool that lets you route audio from OBS straight into another application like Discord, so the filters actually reach your voice chat. Select your cable input from the list, then close out of the settings to save changes. Now, let's set up the mic itself. In your main OBS Studio window, locate your microphone, usually labeled as Mic Aux, in the audio mixer. Next to it, there will be 3 dots. Click on these, then pick Advanced Audio Properties. In this window, you'll see a column called Audio Monitoring. Switch this from Monitor Off to Monitor and Output. What does this do? Well, it means OBS will not only process your mic sound with filters, but also send that processed audio to your chosen monitoring device, your cable input, ready to jump into Discord. Once you've set audio monitoring, close out of the properties. Now, the real fun begins. Applying your favorite mic filters. In the audio mixer, click the 3 dots again and look for Copy Filters. Then, go to Mic Aux, click the 3 dots there, and choose Paste Filters. Filters like noise suppression, equalization, or compression can dramatically improve your sound. Think of them as digital magic for your voice. If you haven't set any yet, OBS makes it easy to experiment. And copying, pasting means you can reuse your best tweaks. Alright, your OBS is now sending filtered audio out, so let's set up Discord to listen. Make sure OBS Studio is running. Otherwise, Discord won't detect your enhanced mic input, so keep OBS open in the background throughout your calls. Open Discord, click on the little gear icon for user settings. Dive into Voice and Video. This is where you'll choose your input device. Be sure to select the same virtual cable input you set in OBS. Also, disable any built-in Discord voice filters, like noise suppression, automatic gain control, or echo cancellation. This is important because stacking filters from multiple apps sometimes leads to weird sound artifacts or makes your voice thinner. Trust OBS Studio's filters. They usually outperform Discord's built-ins. Scroll down to Video Codec and disable it. This helps avoid potential conflicts, or at least double processing. Finally, double-check all the voice processing options. Make sure things like automatic gain control and noise suppression are set to none, so that only your OBS filters are in play. And that's it. You're now piping pristine, filtered microphone audio straight from OBS Studio into Discord. Take a moment to test your voice and tweak as needed. If something sounds off, don't worry. Go back and adjust your OBS filters or Discord settings. With a bit of trial and error, you'll find a setup that makes your voice sound as professional as you want. If this tutorial helped you level up your audio game, please give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help troubleshoot, and subscribe for more smart tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and happy chatting on Discord with your amazing new sound.